So when was the last time you updated your Instagram password? Let's keep your account secure into the easiest ways to prevent being hacked. I'm going to show you exactly where to see the settings hidden into the latest update. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are into your browser or you are into your iPhone device or Android device. So here, I'm going to focus into my account center. To locate account center, I'm going to focus into the left section of this element that says more. If you go directly into settings and click into it, you might be seeing that things are a little bit different than it was before. So what I wanted to do is to make sure that here we are directly into my settings and privacy. So everything looks a little bit more different than it's supposed to be. So if I click into this huge element that says account center, you can see everything about your passcode, your security, personal details, and much more. So to change your passcode, just click into the element that says password and security. Then hit into the element that says change password. If you have multiple accounts or a link to Facebook, just select the Instagram account you wanted to update. In my case, I only have this one. So I clicked into this one. And here what I wanted to do, of course, it will be asking me first of all, in order to continue, to check my email. This is only for verification process. So that means that they will be sending me an actual code to the Gmail that I'm actually currently using. So I'm going to type this real quick. This is a one-time code, so it's okay if you see it. In my case, I won't be using this anymore. So I just select it, I hit into enter, and now to continue, you must choose the current passcode as it is from this specific date. Then start with a new passcode and retype your new passcode. If you wish to log out of all the devices, select it just in case if you think that someone else is using your account. When you finish with this one, choose the element that says change your passcode and you're good to go. A pro tip that I can give you is that while you are into the screen, you want to tap into the Two-Factor Authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection so that even someone that has your passcodes can get inside without an actual code from your actual phone. This is like an ultimate way to stay unhackable. So I'm going to select the element that says Two-Factor Authentication. So it will be, for example, via SMS or WhatsApp. So when you hit into sign in with your passcode, additionally, it will be asking you for another code, send it from a WhatsApp or create it from an authentication application that you must provide every time you sign in, so that they make sure that you are the legit, in this case, the actual user. And this will be helping a lot to save your passcode and of course your account. So you're all set. Your account is not much safer than it was 2 minutes ago. If this quick fix helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more daily tech protection. If you have ever been locked out of an account, let's talk about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.